Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to insert symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word.
Sometimes your document needs characters that are not on your keyboard, like copyright symbols, currency signs, mathematical symbols, or special characters. Word makes it easy to insert all of these. Go to Insert tab. Click the Symbol dropdown. A panel opens showing the most commonly used symbols. You can see copyright, registered trademark, TM, euro, pound, yen, plus minus, infinity, pi, and many more. Click the copyright symbol. It appears instantly at your cursor position. Click Symbol dropdown again, select the registered trademark symbol, and again for TM. These are the most commonly used symbols in professional documents. If you need a symbol that is not in the quick list, click More Symbols at the bottom. A larger panel opens with every available symbol. Find omega or sigma, click to insert. Useful for scientific and mathematical documents. Word also has an emoji option. Click the emoji dropdown. Click any emoji to insert it. Useful for informal documents or social content. For mathematical equations, click Equation. An equation editor appears. Type capital E equals MC. Press Shift plus 6 for the exponent symbol. Then type 2 to create capital E equals MC squared. Click Insert on Page to create capital E equals MC squared. The equation is formatted professionally with proper mathematical notation.
If you want to learn the complete course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.